Today we learn revision lesson 1.2 an encounter of a special kind. Question: read the following passage carefully and complete the activities. A1. Simple factual activity. State whether the following statements are true or false. First sentence: the baby Langer sensed the presence of his mother. It is true. Second sentence: the mother Langer was sitting on the floor of the coop. It is false. The writer cuddled the baby Langer tightly in his bosom. False. Fourth sentence: the writer's attention was fixed on the revival of the baby Langer. It is true. Passage number 4 on page number 10 and 11. Start. My attention was fixed dash safe from further assault. Second question, complex factual activity. Complete the following. Mother Langer simply sat quietly because dash the baby Langer started to sob and cry because. Third sentence, the baby found comfort and peace in dash. And fourth, Mother Langer gave a thorough inspection of body Langer's baby because she wanted to dash. Or broad question, when did the baby Langer finally find comfort? The next activity based on vocabulary. Activity match the pages in column A with their meaning in column B. A column to figure out, to ponder over. Third, to find solace. And fourth, through inspection. In B column, to find comfort and peace. Second, the act of checking with complete attention and care. Third, to be able to think until you solve the problem. And fourth, think over something deeply. So you solve it in your notebook and also workbook. Next question, A4. Activity based on contextual grammar to as directed. I turned away from the coop and looked up, beginning the sentence, turning and rewrite it. Now, how to change the sentence? See, turning away from the coop, turning away from the coop, comma, करता इकडे घ्यायचा परत. I looked up. Second sentence, she gave the baby a thorough body inspection. Change the sentence into passive beginning with the baby. She subject give main verb, the baby object and a thorough body inspection extra. Subject object the baby. Baby was given a thorough body inspection by her. Then rewrite the sentence as per instruction. She simply sat there quietly. Rewrite the sentence in present continuous tense. She is simply sitting there quietly. Answer. Second sentence, the baby sensed and the presence of his mother. Rewrite the sentence in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. The baby has sensed the presence of his mother. And A5, personal response. What is your mother's state of mind during your illness? So you already solve this passage in your notebook as well as in your workbook. Listen carefully, read it again and again, and now we stop here.